Tantric massage outer connection rituals. The connection rituals are an important part of a tantric massage for both giver and receiver because they help to build trust by opening the heart to provide a sense of unity in addition to helping to release stress and anxiety prior to the session, enabling the mind and body to fully relax so the massage is received more effectively to increase the many benefits that an authentic tantric massage can provide. There are various stages of the connection rituals which are equally important in helping to gradually build and activate the Kundalini energy within the receiver, providing an in-depth healing and increasing the sense of inner connection and general well-being. Outer connection rituals. Kundalini Awakening. The Kundalini is a sexual energy which is the most powerful healing force that is naturally occurring within our body, that naturally lies dormant at the base of the spine until it is activated through spiritual practices, sexual activity, or dance and movement. Kundalini Awakening is the first ritual and one of the most important because it helps to release any feelings of self-consciousness, anxiousness, or awkwardness, in addition to warming the muscles and releasing stiffness within the joints, which can affect the energy flow within the body. Each part of the body is engaged from the head to the feet, which includes moving and shaking each part to activate and encourage the flow of both masculine and feminine energy, to provide internal balance and to help the receiver become more present and aware of their body. Emotional tapping. The focus of Tantra is to heal and release internal blockages from the body. By increasing self-awareness through the Kundalini Awakening, the receiver is then able to connect more easily within the mind and body to feel where areas of tension may be present. By taking time to establish where the sources of pain are and then focusing on bringing them to the surface of the body, discomfort can be released by using a series of tapping movements combined with breath and sound, whilst improving the flow of energy to the meridian pathways and chakras. Following the tapping, stroking of the body using a sweeping motion allows the negative energy to be cleansed, allowing the receiver to feel lighter with an increased sense of well-being. Breath work. Breathing effectively is an essential part of Tantra, both prior to and during the massage, as it helps to maintain the constant flow of Kundalini energy throughout the body, so blockages can be released and do not become trapped due to a build-up of energy. The breathwork consists of 3 separate techniques derived from yoga, which is an integral part of Tantra. The first technique involves taking a deep breath into the heart, holding the breath and then releasing through the mouth using rapid exhalations, allowing tightness across the chest to be released and the heart to be opened. The second technique focuses on breathing from the belly deeply to fill the lungs before exhalation through the mouth to increase the flow of oxygen and encourage a state of inner connection. The third technique focuses on becoming aware of any remaining tension in the body and then visualizing it moving to the throat chakra, which is responsible for effective and healthy communication. Following a deep inhalation, any remaining tension in the body is then exhaled through sound, enabling complete relaxation in both body and mind. Trauma is released in a variety of ways from the body, including through the mouth or skin using the breath, sound, or deep bodywork known as de-armoring, which opens up the energetic gateways within the body, enabling the energy to flow more effectively and therefore encouraging the release of internal blockages. Energy circuit. Tantra is energy-based. Therefore, once attention has been released from the mind and body and internal balance restored, an energy circuit is created around the body by inhaling and pulling the energy up from the ground, which is the source of creation, and sending it up towards the sky before exhaling and then letting it flow down the spine to times at different speeds, depending on the ability of the receiver. but it is more effective when it is repeated with quick succession. Yoga asanas. The outer connection rituals are completed using 3 yoga techniques which are adapted to suit the needs of the receiver. The dangling pose consists of stretching up and then allowing the body to fold at the hips and the upper body to fall. For an extra stretch, the hands can clasp behind the knees with the elbows stretched out to the sides, releasing tightness in the muscles and allowing the base chakra Muladhara to open, so the energy can then flow through the remaining chakras. The cobra pose consists of lying face down and then pushing the body up, using the hands to stretch across the chest and release the lower back and spine, which is where most of the tension is held within the body. Finally, child's pose is performed by using first a kneeling motion, either keeping the knees together to focus the stretch into the back, or parting the knees to focus the stretch into the hips, and then stretching the arms out in front of the body, enabling the receiver to not only release tension from the back, but also to connect within. So take a nice deep breath in for me, and a breath out. So throughout the massage, there's just 3 things I need you to do. Stay connected to the heart, stay connected to the breath, and stay connected to me. The breath is essential because that is what helps move the energy around the body. Okay? Take a nice deep breath in, and a breath out. Feeling seen, feeling heard, feeling understood. Nice deep breath in, and a breath out. If you're feeling ready, you can begin.